In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if receiver read email Microsoft Outlook. If you've ever sent an important message and wondered whether it was opened or at least delivered, Outlook gives you two built-in tools to help: read receipts and delivery receipts. A read receipt requests a confirmation when the recipient opens your message, while a delivery receipt confirms the message reached their mail server, even if they haven't opened it yet. Let's start with requesting this on a single email. Compose a new email in Outlook just like you normally would. With your message open, go to the Options tab on the ribbon. If you're using Outlook on the web, open your draft, choose Message, then More Options. In the Tracking section, check Request a read receipt if you want to know when the recipient views the message. You can also check Request a delivery receipt to confirm the message was delivered to their server. Send the email as usual. When supported, you'll receive notifications, one when it's delivered and another when it's opened. These typically arrive as messages in your inbox or appear in the info bar for the original email. A quick reality check helps set expectations. Recipients can choose not to send a read receipt, and many organizations block them for privacy or security reasons. Some mail apps, especially on mobile, ignore these requests entirely. Delivery receipts are even more limited because many servers don't generate them. So, think of receipts as helpful indicators rather than guaranteed proof. If you prefer not to toggle these options each time, you can have Outlook request a read receipt automatically for every message you send. In the Outlook desktop app, go to File, then Options, and select Mail. Scroll down to the Tracking section and check the box for read receipt confirming the recipient viewed the message. Click OK to save. From now on, Outlook will request a read receipt on all outgoing emails. This can save time, but remember it prompts every recipient and they can decline. Consider whether it's appropriate for all messages, especially when communicating with people who might find receipt prompts intrusive. That's it. Thanks for watching.